everyone, I'm Britton and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look. I have absolutely no clue what I'm going to be doing today. I have just pulled out all kinds of makeup palettes, different colors. We're just going to be creating something and we'll just go with it, and whatever it turns out being, that's what it'll be, okay? So if you're interested in seeing how I create this look, then y'all please keep watching. everyone, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. When I sat down, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do, but I decided to do the tack back two-faced look. I wanted to do something a little bit glam with a little bit of, that's kind of creepy, and this is what I came up with. So everything that I used will be down in the description bar for you guys, and remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and always subscribe, and until next time, y'all stay creepy. I wanted you to meet Coco. She's made an appearance in one other video. I don't think she likes my makeup. Coco, Lou. Say hey everybody. Say hey everybody. Isn't she so cute, you guys? I love her so much. Okay. Say bye-bye everybody.